Understanding, Measure the Weight, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical phrase in the English language: measure the weight. Whether you're at the post office, cooking in the kitchen, or just curious about how heavy something is, knowing how to talk about weighing objects is incredibly useful. So, let's break it down together and make sure you can confidently use this phrase in your daily conversations. When we talk about measuring the weight of something, we're talking about finding out how heavy it is. This is done using a scale or a balance. The weight tells us the gravitational force acting on an object and is usually measured in units like kilograms, grams, pounds, or ounces. Understanding this concept is essential, as it's a part of everyday life, from cooking to shipping items, and even in science experiments. Measuring weight is crucial for various reasons. In cooking, accurate measurements ensure that recipes turn out as they should. When sending a parcel, the weight determines the shipping cost. In health and fitness, tracking the weight of your body or food can be key to achieving personal goals. Moreover, in commerce and science, precise weight measurements are fundamental for transactions and experiments. To measure the weight of an object, you need a scale. There are two main types of scales: digital scales, which show the weight on an electronic display; analog scales, which use a dial to indicate the weight. Here's how to do it. 1. Turn on the scale, if it's digital, or make sure it's set to 0, for analog. 2. Place the object on the scale. 3. Read the displayed weight. For digital scales, it's straightforward. For analog scales, you may need to take a closer look to determine the exact weight. When measuring weight, make sure the scale is on a flat, stable surface to avoid inaccurate readings. Also, remember to calibrate your scale regularly if it requires manual calibration. Another common mistake is confusing weight with mass. Weight is affected by gravity, while mass is the amount of matter in an object, and doesn't change with location. We hope this video has shed some light on how to measure the weight of objects and why it's such an important skill to have. Remember, practicing these measurements in real-life situations will make you more comfortable and accurate. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.